Hello and welcome to a very blowy day. I'm back at the Wallace Arms at Featherfoot Row, and no, I'm not here to do the Grand Tour, although we will be picking up the Grand Tour from here next time. I'm here to do a little bit of exploring. We're going to explore a place called Linn Shield. I've brought my daughter along with me to explore Linnshield. Now, those that have been following my videos for a while will know that Linn in Gaelic means pool, but in Northumbrian it means a waterfall. So if a place is called Linn Shield, chances are there's going to be a waterfall there. So that's what we're here to look for. I was just going to follow the road, but it's a little bit safer to follow the old railway track instead. So this is the same track that me and Neil walked on the last Grand Tour. Okay, down there there's a very small set of step, kind of very small waterfalls. Definitely not worth making an effort to see closer. And then over there, just below those trees, looks like another small step waterfall, but once again not worth the effort of trying to get down there to see it. So that there's Linnshield farm. Nice clear footpath. No getting lost on this one. The waterfall at Lynnshield, it's just a few little steps. It's not worth the effort to try and see it. However, there should be another waterfall a bit further along, so we're going to go and check that out now. Okay, the waterfall should be in this vicinity. I'm hoping it's just not those rapids. I'm hoping it's a little bit just round about there-ish. So I'm just going to go down the bottom and have a look. I spy a proper waterfall. Just over there. There we go, proper waterfall. It's actually an easier way to get down here. We came down a bit too early. Came down from the second wall. Cracking. So the waterfall at Linnshield's disappointing, but this one isn't. We've got an overhang in these rocks. There's an old blanket there, so someone's been sleeping rough, and there's the remains of a fire circle here. So somebody's been camping here. You might be able to get a tent in there. It's a bit rocky though. Just this patch here, maybe. So that's the waterfall at Linnshield. I'm not exactly sure if that one is called Linnshield or those little rapids were Linnshield, but there's another named waterfall of Northumberland ticked off. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Hit the subscribe button for the next adventure. Share with your friends on social media. And I'll catch you on the next one.